Hi, Christian.
Hi. Hello.
I'll say hi to Walter and Grandma in Texas.
Hello.
Hi, Walter.
All right, go ahead, go. Be nice.
What's up? Oh, that's cool. Where does it say my name?
Wasn't there a card on the top of that box?
Yeah, I have it.
Christian here.
Huh.
No, open it. That's it. You can tell me.
What was that face for, Christian?
Hey, don't touch it. Oh.
Yes, I got this. This is fun.
What?
What's it for?
What is this?
It's mine.
Let me see. Yeah, you know, Christian, you got
Christian.
Hey, don't just throw those on the ground.
Yeah, James.
Maybe there's one for each of you.
Yeah, James.
Christian.
That's too
It's mine. You have to take that off. It might be one of mine.
Hold it up. What does it say?
Too big.
This is
Let me see that. This is it.
good.
Anything else in there? A card? Or is that stickers?
Kaylee.
Oh my gosh, I love very much.
Kaylee.
You forgot though. Tell me open my Lego. I want to keep it.
What is that? Oh, she got Daddy something. Where's? Give me my candy.
And mine.
That grandma's awesome. I'm just kidding. You can keep it over there.
And that's all.
Is that all? All right. Who's gonna read the card?
No, I said first. Clear trust in your
What is that, Kaylee? It's a whistle.
recorder.
It's called a recorder. Are you gonna make some music? Oh.
I have one. Mine. Put your trust in here, you guys. Look at the cover.
Okay.
Okay.
Listen. She's gonna read the card.
To the best grandkids in the world. For each petal on the shamrock, this brings a wish your way. Good health, good luck, and happiness for today and every day. Grandma loves you. Yeah.
What do y'all tell Grandma?
Thank you, Grandma.